The Clash build fan base and build a loyal fan base. They don't know dancehall build for Clash, so they don't know Clash is a thing where if you come your way and the artist makes sense, you do it. You see me? And Clash don't have nothing to do with ranking as in levels card and you know them little things. If somebody look like them already for Clash, you just clash them and just make a dancehall nice, you know.
So Valiant talk about the dancehall culture. Yeah man, they talk about Clash, and we don't know say from day one Clash is a major part of dancehall. So when we see some artists don't want to Clash, it kind of shocking. Like, how can you say you're a dancehall artist and you get called out from an artist that you can say up there with you in the top ranks and you don't want Clash? Why don't you want to give your loyal fan base something to debate about? Like, that just don't make no sense. But anyways, big up to Valiant, viewers and subs, leave on a take.
The smallest inconvenience will make a man lose it. Dog, this bigger than the Tobies.
So viewers and subscribers, I want to figure check out the artist here. Him goes by the name of Tatic. Yeah man, him drop a single on the incident that happened in Mandeville. Yeah man, yo, I want to figure check it out. You see me, the song bad, and recently I discovered the artist, and to be honest, him didn't even tell me to do this. Him didn't even reach out to me and tell me to do this. I just hear this on TikTok and I say, yo, I have to build a video on this. You see me? Yeah man, the song bad. The song bad, and I like the message that is in the song. You see me? So I want to go check it out and run up the numbers. You see me? Yeah man, like I said, him not tell me to do this, him not know me none at all. I just see the song, I like the song, and you know, I just build a video around it. So when you can go check it out, it's entitled Resentment. You see me? Yeah man, bad single by the entertainer Tatic. Yeah man, and it is produced by Sponge Music. Yeah man, big up Sponge Music.
Stress to make you make decision me foolish. It only take a bad day for everything growing. Yeah, I pressure do that, I stop me doing.
So the entertainer Still Boss made this post like a day or two back before his latest single, Stop Hate, and while our vibes shit do happen, condolence to the family of the innocent. My heart ache for you guys, but we live in a world with no boundaries and life is hard. Be safe with open eye and stick together as a family. Yeah man, so the entertainer, like I said, made that post before he released his latest single, Brown Man.
7.62 makes quality jump spend. So G, I say you bad and I cover you a tech. I shoot out like Brown Man.
So we have Squash Mother again on the media, and you don't know how she go on. She always a throw a bag of shades and she always a talk a bag of things. So actually man, I'm going to play the live and make you see what go on. But remember, if you don't reach this far, just leave a subscribe.
Spend time to watch me pussy. Spend time who the fuck me. Go spend time but know who the fuck you know. Me single. Me no desperate. Me no ugly figure kill a girl over a man. I hear that. And look on my face blood clog. Me a non joke girl. Someone can't come back to Jamaica, you know. Come back here where? Still not Jamaica. Me no want to go find, cause find a other man go marrow. You see me in a Jamaica, yeah, me I take care of my mother. Everybody for me down foreign. Now my sister, my brother them down foreign. And I choose to stay here, so. I choose to take care of me till my mother dead. Therefore, I don't have no mother love. I don't have no mother. I don't take care of no mother. So I have to make sure say my mother good. I don't know. Then I say I want to go foreign. Everything I want from foreign comes straight to me. Foreign I hold on. Therefore, over there they suffer like dog and they brag and they boast. And if TikTok no pay no money, no can blood clot. They say, anytime I broke, no come on TikTok for come tear me down. Anytime I broke and no money, no follow for come on TikTok come tear down me and my son. But continue to keep reading. So I guess Shelly most relevant, the most talk about if me no shit, none of you fuckers can swallow. I say, oh God bless no man curse. I would never kill a female for a man. It don't make no sense. Molly than them and me pitney them. I respect and love them you they show me. J-man and me pitney pay love and respect them you they show me. Me not go low. And mistake me for no mother or no auntie them. Don't mistake me. And me not go follow up on come say uno a body follower. Uno a body clot. Uno know better cause uno not have no mother love. Uno get no mother love. So no hate a woman my love her kids them and go fight for her kids them. Me not curse me bless. You know what me bless me turn up strong and me fight like a soldier. And God always with me. So all of me eat a little dirty stinking get them bandage and the batty boy when they end up stink and dirty and flat. I suck on them.